In 2022, more than 11,000 U.S. property owners lost a staggering $350 million to real estate fraud. Home title theft and deed fraud are becoming alarmingly common as criminals exploit the gaps in the legal system and gain increased access to public records. Many victims don't even discover the theft until it's too late, leaving them with a complex legal and financial mess. Today, we are joined by John Summer, investigative reporter, who is sharing some practical steps that homeowners can take to safeguard their property from these growing threats. It is something that I didn't even realize was happening, but apparently it's pretty common, John. What is home title theft, and how are criminals getting their hands on this information?
Yeah, well, thanks, Heidi. And it is very common, and you are right. Most people are not even aware of it because it's a stealth crime. It's not like someone comes into your home and breaks in and steals your jewelry or whatever, or somebody gets your credit card or your information and makes charges. Home title theft or deed theft, or what the FBI used to call house stealing, is a crime that is growing in leaps and bounds. And for the people that own property, whether it's a home or a piece of land or a Airbnb or a rental or whatever, you stand to lose so much that you're not even really thinking about. You're not aware that this crime can happen. And it's as easy as somebody going on the internet, downloading the proper documents to be able to make a title transfer, and then getting a stamp to be able to approve it, with the notary, and then going down to the local county clerk's office. You don't even have to do that physically. You can do it just virtually and transfer the title into your name or into the name of some other entity. There are criminal enterprises that do this. There are individuals that do this. Once they have the title to your home, Heidi, or your property, whatever it may be, then they can leverage it. They don't want the property. They don't want the physical house. What they want is what it's worth, the equity.
Yep.
Then they can take it and they can take out loans on it, or they can sell it to some unwitting buyer without you even knowing it. And the money gets transferred into a bank and it's gone. And you would never know about it until it's too late.
Well, and then when you do learn about it, I mean, obviously this is devastating financially, as you mentioned, but emotionally as well, just kind of rocks you to your core. So talk about what people would go through in the restoration process and how complicated it is to get everything back the way it should be.
So you're talking about a lot of time, a lot of money with the legal expenses. It just is, the expense of being able to bring the property back to you, the rightful owner, and the anguish that you go through. I mean, sometimes it can take years. It's just awful. And people don't even realize that they can very easily become a victim of this.
Well, and you're trying to work during this whole time and carry on with your life and rebuild your life with what you've lost. So talk to me about Home Title Lock and how this company can help prevent this from happening and help, if it does happen, the restoration process.
Sure, Heidi. Well, a Home Title Lock, and they have a website, HomeTitleLock.com. It's a great company, and I've researched all of them. That's what I do. And these folks are the pioneers in the business, I guess you would say. They're great at what they do, and what they do, basically three things. They monitor your title of your home 24/7. Then if there's something fishy going on, some monkey business, that they'll let you know. They alert you right away. And then if for some reason, and these things can happen really fast, it actually goes through the process of having the title transferred, then they work with you to restore the title back to your name. They have a whole team of legal experts there that handle this. So you avoid having to go through the horrors of going through the legal system and actually having to pay for an attorney and so on.
We appreciate that. Home Title Lock, again, has that special offer for our viewers. Get that free 30-day trial with promo code PROTECT. You'll also get a free home title scan and comprehensive report, and that is a $100 value. In addition, you will have triple lock monitoring, alerts, and restoration. For more information, visit HomeTitleLock.com.